how to add a callable link or a callable button on your Google site so your visitors can tap on that link and directly call your number. So let's see how we can do that. So here we are on a website and we have this phone number mentioned here as text, and I'll show you how you can add a button as well. So anywhere, any text that you want to mention as a callable link, all you need to do is select the text and go to the link option here, and in the link just type in this text TEL and all your phone number like this, and everything is without a space. If you click on apply, this is now a clickable link. Now make sure you publish your website so that these changes are live, and let's see how it looks in the front end. So if you mouse over on this, it's going to open my FaceTime app, which is not configured on this laptop, but let me show you how it looks on the phone as well. So here we are on the mobile and this is our website. So let me show you what happens when I click on this link or this number on my screen. So as soon as I tap on this, it's going to open up the options how I want to use this. So I'm just going to use it with my phone. And it's going to open up my dialer so that I can dial the number that I have added in the link. So whatever number you add in the link, it will open up in your phone dialer. Now in the same way, you can go ahead and add any button. So let's say you have a call to action button here. So I'm just going to add a button like this, and I'm just going to type any text and I'm going to link it TEL : and your phone number. So you can enter your phone number and make sure again that there should be no spacing in between. So let's click on this. So here is our button. Let's align this to center. And maybe we can make it a little big like this. And here we have our button. So if we click on this, it's again going to open my FaceTime, which means that it's working fine in the front end as well. So this is how you can add a callable link or a callable button anywhere on your Google site. And if you need any professional help regarding your Google site, then make sure you check out the link in the video description.